The Whispering Giant of Niagara. I live in a town with a giant. It's not a person, but a waterfall named Niagara Falls. It's so big and famous that people from all over the world come to see it. The giant is made of water. It rushes and roars, and when the sun shines on it, a rainbow appears in the mist. It's a beautiful sight. At night, the giant wears a coat of many colors. Bright lights shine on the water, making it look like a magical, glowing curtain. People love to stand by the railing and watch the giant. They take pictures and listen to the sound of the water. It's like the giant is telling them a story. My town has many fun places to visit. There are shops with souvenirs and museums with interesting things to see. Many people work here because of the giant. They help the visitors and tell them stories about the waterfall. You can ride in a special bus to see the whole town, or you can ride in a carriage pulled by a horse, just like in a fairy tale. Some people are very brave. They go in a big balloon or a helicopter to see the giant from the sky. In the summer, my town is very busy. It feels like a big party every day. Sometimes, the mist from the giant feels like a gentle rain. There are many stories about the giant. One is about a brave girl called the Maid of the Mist. I love to hear all the tales of Niagara Falls.